How to use Talbros Penray Headlight Restoration Kit. This is the headlight which we will be treating today. Spread lotion into lens by using side-to-side motion with moderate pressure. Keep doing this exercise for 4 to 6 minutes. No tools are required in this process. Wipe away the haze. Use damp cloth and dry thoroughly. Use alcohol wipe for final cleaning to ensure proper bonding of lens coating. Apply lens coating spray and leave it for 15 to 30 minutes for drying. Do not wash headlight for 1 day. Difference can be clearly seen before treatment and after treatment by using Talbros Penray Headlight Restoration Kit.